Welcome everyone. This is the introduction section of the hackathon from the first day. Right, this is the code programming platform where we are using basically the whole duration of the program. So this is the first interface. It tells you how real time this interface is and how you can use to maximize or improve upon your skills. We will go on and I'll take you through the various tabs in this code. So you click on start. When you come, then you click on start. Now, when you click on start, it gives you the five core features of this code. The first one is the I code. The second one is the code basic. The third one code pro. The fourth one code play and code design. I'll take you through one by one for you to understand how it's being done or it's being used. Now, I'm starting from the chord basic. The chord basic. With the chord basic, this is where, okay, so let me show you the chord basic. Let me share my screen again. So when you click on the chord basic, this is what comes. It's a community that has communities within it. And we have HTML and CSS community, we have JavaScript, we have Python, so on and so forth. When you come here, you should sign up. That's create your account. If you already have an account, you just have to log in. So I will I will log in to my now. After you log in, you click on explore. Explore on the community you want to enter. So I click on explore. Now in the explore section, you will see we have previous note or previous threads there. So we have introduction, code summary, later reading material. So this is where you find the reading materials here and so on and so forth. So basically this is for iCode. You come here, you get help from here, you can post everything, you can post your problem and a whole lot, and colleagues will be able to help you out. Right. Now going forward, we are going to the code basic. The code basic. So this is the code basic. When you click on the code basic and it takes you here, you just click on the web editor. So this web editor, this is what we have been using and we will be using for the JavaScript, the CSS, and the HTML. So you come here, you start typing your code, your HTML code here, your CSS code, and the JavaScript code here, and it will be live displaying here real life for you to use. It's very simple. Now let's move to the next code, which is the Code Pro. Now when you click on the Code Pro, it gives you this interface. This is the Code Pro, Code Professionals. You have to come here and select your programming language you want to use. There are a lot of programming languages that allows you here to actually run your code. So you come here, you scroll through the programming languages you want to use. So here I'll say I want to select maybe PHP or script or Python. So you select PHP, come here, you code here, you click on run, and your output will display here. As simple as that. If you want to save your file to, you click here, you can download a file. Very simple. Now let's move to the next code, which is the code design. We are moving to the code design. Now, when you click on the code design, it leads you here. It actually leads you here. Now, you would have to choose device so that you can save your diagrams or your flowcharts. You choose device, or you can decide later. Now, this is the interface of the code design. You can choose the theme, either white or dark. Now, what the code design does is it helps you to build algorithms, flowcharts. You will be building so much flowcharts in this session. So it helps you to build flowchart diagrams so that you can simulate your design or any app you are about to build. It has so many features here. You have even takes flowchart diagrams also here. It's very simple to use. So we'll be using it to design interfaces, the flowchart, the algorithm. That's for code design. Let's move to the next code. Now the next code, it's the game. The chord play. The chord play is a game. It's called The Aviator. The Aviator. So you click on the Aviator. You have so many levels. You have 4 levels. One, two, three, 4 levels. Now, if you are a new person, there's a tutorial here. When you click on the tutorial, you have a whole lot of tutorial to explain to you how the game is being played. So you can click next to see the tutorials and go through yourself. If you want to play it, you click on the aviator, you select a level. Now the main motive behind this game helps you to build your algorithm skills. So I'll press on level 1, then it comes. Here I'm playing a few here. I want to move this here, whereby if I get here, the red should be up, the green or the gold should be down. I'm going to build an algorithm that can do so. So I move to action. Then I say, okay, it should go forward. So forward. I select forward here. Then another one. Then I say after forward, I'm supposed to take the top one. Then another forward. So I'm here. So another for one, two, three. Another forward. Forward, forward, forward. One, two, three. Then I release whatever I'm holding. And next, when I release, I'll come backwards. Another three backwards. Backwards, backwards, backwards. Backwards. Backwards, backwards, backwards. Backwards. One, two, three. Then I take then forward again, forward, then I take forward, another forward, forward, 4, Then I release. Right. When I'm done here, I'll click on load first, then I click on play. So I'll see how my game is going. So it picks forward, 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 it releases backwards, 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 it picks forward, 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 it releases. Then I move to the next level. So I move to the next level here. I also arrange it again. So very simple. You can also go through the tutorials and see how it's being done. So these are the five main tools we will be using or we are using in our program the whole this month. Thank you for watching this video.